Hi besties, come with me to OJB Declutter's 3 years anniversary. It's an all-white party and I am all set and ready to go. I got here right on time. Luckily the event had not started when I got here. Just take a look at the beautiful ambience of the hall. It's a beautiful and serene environment. My IV only accommodated one person and there was only so much I could cover on my own. At this point, OJB himself had to give us a brief history on how he started his declutter business. And then came MC Relax to help everybody relax and lighting up the event.
Wow, thank you very, very much. DJ, you can bring it up. I'm sorry, I just came out of the surgery. Why are you saying, is it your surgery? You have the ability to create something amazing out of something that looks natural and very, very easy. I mean, people are able to, see opportunities in the seemingly very funny environment, and then they can create something out of something that looks like nothing. Who would have thought that, I want to sell my TV, I want to sell my bed, will be something that is as great and is as amazing as what we're celebrating 3 years for today. So please, for that, can you please put your hands together for OJB? This is amazing.
And the beautiful staffs introduced themselves and did a catwalk for us. Don't they look amazing? The highlight for me was when Remy Chanta took on the mic. I love her chants. I'm not Yoruba, but I enjoy listening to her chants. At a point, she even wanted to, say something concerning me, and I am Igbo, and I think I lost her there. She didn't know what to say in Yoruba about me, and she had to move on to other people. In all, it was a beautiful experience. I loved it. And then, what's a Lagos party without food? I honestly just took what I could finish. It was a buffet party, so I just took what I could finish. I didn't want to waste anything. There were beautiful souvenirs as well. Like the saying goes, everything that has a beginning also has an end. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. See you on the next one. Bye.